the hardest part about doing any sort of content creation is how do you start it? What's up, guys? There's no guys to watch yet. Nobody's watching yet. Who are the guys that I'm talking to? Yo, what's up, kings and queens watching this video? It's your boy, Matt. And I got something kind of exciting in the mail as of recently. For those who don't know, your boy has been getting back into the martial arts game. You're going to see some martial arts content coming from me because that's where my head's at. That's all I've been thinking about. That's all I've been doing since the end of 2019 going into 2020. And I got some packages in the mail. I ordered these, so I know what they are, but I thought I would just do an unboxing for y'all. So let's have a look. I was not sponsored. I purchased these. Ordered them from Thailand. That's where to get. I like to get my stuff. You can get these on Amazon as well. They'll just send it from Bangkok. All right. Yes. These are Shin Guards, ladies and gentlemen. Well, boom. Ones that I saw that I thought I was getting, but I used to have. This is why I got these. They feel the same though. They changed the style a little bit. This is the same Shin Guards that I used to use back in the day. Top King, that's the brand for Shin Guards. In my opinion, everyone has their favorites. I always felt like Top King had the best. They large. I'm a tall guy. I need large shin pads, just to cover my whole everything. So you see, they got the foot protector. There was one guy at our gym back in the day who would rip off the feet protectors because he's like, they're pointless. You kick with your shin, not your foot, but it's good to have it. I don't know. I never wanted to rip it. Oh yeah, they're stiff. Gotta get broken into a bit, but yeah, Top King makes good shin guards. Let's throw them on real quick. Yeah. So when you're blocking, right, for the Thai boxing, you block like that. Actually, I think you want it inside. You don't want it that. It'll kick your hand. Like that. Those look nice. They feel nice. Yeah. Hell yeah. So we got two of those, obviously. One for each leg. I'll open those up later. That's awesome. Yeah, they feel great. This is definitely the brand that I would recommend for Shin Guards. Now this is what's different about the other packages. It's not Shin Guards in there. 9 times out of 10, when it comes to getting boxing gloves, I get twins because I love twins. There's a really good material, really good. Cost-wise is good. Oh yeah, the Shin Guards are about $125 Canadian. Well, it's probably like just about $100 American. But when it comes to martial arts gear, definitely you get what you pay for. You could get some $40 boxing gloves from Walmart, the Everlast cheap ones, and you'll use them for 4 months and they'll be all ripped up. I've had these gloves. I used to use them consistently. I got these ones in Thailand, actually. These are red twins, 10 ounce. These are like fight weight. Usually you spar and a little bit heavier, but when you fight, it's about a 10 ounce glove. I also have these Hayabusa ones. I think I won these. They're also a 10 ounce, but they're a lace up. Usually when you like high level fight, like professional fight, they lace up. Yeah, usually for amateur fights, you just wear a Velcro, but then you just tape the Velcro so your glove's not going to slip off. But yeah, so these are kind of nice too. They're a Hayabusa, but they got the glory symbol on it for glory kickboxing. That's kind of cool. Yeah, so usually I get these nice twins. Twins are great. They're great for bag, hitting the bag, practicing on that, and they're smaller. They have a nice, good feel to them. 9 times out of 10 I get twins, but I saw these beauties on Amazon, and these are a limited run. But I knew when I saw them, I was like, yes, I have to have these. It's a different brand. It's Fairtex, which is also an amazing brand. my coach used to have Fairtex pads, like pads that he would hold and kick those and shit. But yeah, always Twins gloves. Like I said, oh yeah, they look sick. They really wrapped it up. Tape. Yeah, so these are Fairtex gloves, and I don't know if you can see, they're tiger striped. I just thought that was really funny. Like, tiger. I'm gonna be motherfucking Sagat on the map. Made in Thailand, genuine leather. Ooh, buddy. Yeah, these look sick. Ooh. Oh, yeah. You hear that? That's the sound of a good glove. 16 ounce. So, I don't know if you can see the comparison in size, but there's a lot more weight wrapped around this one. A lot more size there comparatively to this red one. They actually look pretty similar, but this one is definitely more on the knuckles, on the hands there. These are definitely better. Throw that on there. Ooh. That feels clean. Yeah, there's a lot more cushion. But they're pretty small for 16s, like overall size. So they really did focus on the cushion, which I guess is fine. That's awesome. These feel great. I've used these for years. They're all worn in. Oh, yes. Yes. Look. I'm boxing. Tiger, uppercut. Yeah, so it's a quick video. Getting back into martial arts. I'm going to be doing some martial arts talk videos. If you're not into martial arts, sorry guys, but I am. My life, it's a good positivity for me to focus on things like this, to get my mind back in the game, kind of, if you will. Keeps me focused, keep me humble, keep me straightforward. So I got nice Shin Guards, nice gloves. Fairtex is the brand. If anyone is interested, I will link them in the description below. Just an Amazon link. I would recommend. I'll also link some other Muay Thai gear, kickboxing gear. I would recommend if you guys are interested in doing it. I truly think martial arts, in my opinion, is the best way to improve yourself and find out about yourself, and because it's not easy. You know, that's what I like about martial arts. Like, you can go to the gym and dribble a ball or shoot, practice 3-pointers, but like, and it sucks. But, you know, running drills and stuff, you're not going to get, like, hurt. But, like, going to a martial arts club and going and practicing and getting punched, it wears you down, but it makes you stronger, it makes you tougher. There's no sport like it, boys. There's no sport like it. So, all that being said, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. Take care. A tiger! Uppercut! Maybe if I clap now, I can sync it. I'm just wondering. Okay, ready? Hopefully that helps. I don't think it will. I think I'm fucked.